Hey friends! So a lot of you have been asking for some weight loss recipes. So here I am giving you what you want. So I love waking up to a breakfast that'll keep me satiated and fueled throughout the day. So today I'm giving you a vegan keto breakfast. It's super simple to make. Yeah, it's really high in protein. You're gonna get 31 grams of protein from this breakfast and about 743 calories and 55 grams of fat. Okay, so this is a high fat, low carb breakfast. Guys, I know you'd think that 55 grams is a lot of fat for one meal, but did you know that based on a 2,000 calorie a day diet, you need between 44 and 78 grams of fat per day? So don't be afraid of good fats. I'm talking about hemp seeds, chia seeds, flax seeds, avocados. Your brain tissues really need all that good omega-3s. And it's really, really important. So embrace it. I'm not talking about fried foods like French fries and all that bad stuff. I'm talking about some good fats that your body needs and it'll thank you for it. So let's go ahead and make this low carb, high fat, beautiful, simple vegan breakfast. I forgot to tell you guys what we're actually gonna be making today. So we are gonna be making a parfait of some kind, okay? So we're gonna be layering coconut cream, or if you want less fat, you can go out and buy some low-fat yogurt, vegan of course, and we're gonna be layering the yogurt or the coconut cream with all the hemp seeds, flax seeds, chia seeds, a little bit of low-carb fruit like strawberries and blueberries. In case you didn't know, berries are really low in carbs, so if you want a high-fat, low-carb diet, go ahead and get yourself some berries. Okay, and we're gonna top it all off with some Brazil nuts. You guys need Brazil nuts. It's one of the only sources of vegan selenium the only sources of selenium that we can get on a vegan diet. So we're gonna top it off with some Brazil nuts, some cacao nibs, and some shredded coconut, and boom, you got a really amazing breakfast. So we're gonna go ahead and start with our coconut milk. This is from Bayona, and it's organic coconut milk that has separated from the water. And okay, it's a light coconut milk, so it's not as thick and creamy as other brands. So it depends on what you like. So we put a little bit of the coconut cream at the bottom, and now we're just gonna put in a 1/4 cup of hemp seeds right in there. And just with the back of a spoon, you just wanna flatten it out. Honestly, this is such an easy breakfast. All you have to do is assemble all the ingredients together. So now we're just gonna add in a little bit more coconut cream. Oh yeah. Again, if you want a different kind of coconut cream, you can just get the one that you like, or even if you like soy yogurt or coconut yogurt instead, you can use that for this recipe. All right, now we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup of flax seeds. So these are ground flax seeds that we're gonna put in. We're putting in a 1/4 cup. And I just wanna say that if you want your body to absorb the most that it can, then you want to eat these flax seeds ground, not whole, okay? So just FYI. So yeah, now we're gonna put in 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Oh yeah. And at this point, you want to add in a little bit of milk. So I'm guessing about, let's see here, a tablespoon or so of milk, just so that the chia seeds expand a little. You can put 1 to 2 tablespoons. I just don't want mine to get too watery. And now we're going to add in some more coconut yogurt, actually coconut cream. Just add that on top. It's okay, we got all the seeds in the coconut cream now, that's okay. Just add that in. And now it's time, guys, to add in our fruit, which is my favorite part. So we're just gonna thinly slice some strawberries. And this will add a little bit of sweetness to our breakfast. So you're just going to place them. Place the strawberries on top. You can put as many as you want on there. Depends how low carb you want to go. And now we're adding the rest of our coconut cream. The rest of our coconut cream to the cup. And we're gonna top this baby with some blueberries, some cacao nibs, some blueberries, and some Brazil nuts. So if you wanna make your breakfast look a little pretty, you're just going to take your strawberry and push it down. Oh my God, it's not working today. Okay guys, we're chopping our Brazil nuts. It's not an easy task. Just gonna chop them up. Okay, we're just gonna put in the rest of the coconut cream. And then we're gonna top it off with some fresh blueberries. Like so. And some Brazil nuts. All right, we're putting on top some cacao nibs for a little bit of extra crunch. And now we're putting on top some shredded coconut. Of course, unsweetened. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay friends, so our breakfast is ready and look at it. It looks fantastic. It's so pretty. I love putting my breakfast in these cute little cups. Of course you don't have to do that. Yeah, so look at all the layers we got here. We got the hemp seed layer, we got the coconut cream, we got the flax seeds, the chia seeds, more coconut cream, strawberries, and then topped off with Brazil nuts, blueberries, shredded coconut, and cacao nibs. So this is gonna keep you fueled throughout your day until lunchtime rolls around, and you're gonna get a whopping 31 grams of protein from this baby and a whole lot of amazing omega-3s that your body needs. Okay, so I'm gonna try it for you. Looks so good. Remember, the only sweetness that we're getting in this cereal is is from the fruit, the blueberries and the strawberries. Okay, I made a mess. It's okay. The blueberries are bursting in my mouth. So nice. In combination with the coconut cream. And then you have the crunch of the cocoa nibs and the sweetness of the strawberries and the shredded coconut. Really, really good. We haven't gone down to the seeds yet. That's gonna take a while. Delicious, guys. I made a little bit of a mess, but it's okay. Okay, friends, so the recipe is finished. For those of you who want to stick around, I'm going to be giving some fun facts about all the seeds that we've been using, including the Brazil nuts in this recipe. So if you want to learn some fun facts, stick around. In ancient times, chia seeds were valued for their medicinal properties and nutritional value. And did you know that chia seeds mean strength in the Mayan language? Cultivated by the Aztecs in pre-Columbian times, chia seeds are an edible seed that come from the desert plant Salvia hispanica, grown in Mexico, dating back to the Aztec and Mayan cultures. So did you know that hemp seeds are technically a nut? They have a delicious nutty flavor and are also known as hemp hearts. So hemp seeds are highly nutritious and are loaded with vitamin E and minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, iron, and zinc. So ground flax seeds pack a powerful punch, and yes, you want to make sure that you eat your flax seeds ground and not whole for better absorption. They're super high in omega-3s and may help protect against cancers. Also help prevent hardening of the arteries and keep plaque from being deposited in the arteries. They also may improve blood sugar and reduce inflammation. So if I were you, I would be adding a couple spoons of these ground flax seeds to my breakfast every day. And lastly, Brazil nuts are really important, guys. If you're vegan, and I always say this, you probably heard me say this a million times, you need to eat your selenium. And one of the ways to get selenium is from Brazil nuts. They're super, super high in selenium. And did you know that your thyroid depends greatly on selenium? So you need it for a proper thyroid function. And did you know that your thyroid gland has per gram of tissue more selenium than any other organ in your body? That's right. So you better get your selenium on and go out and get yourself a whole huge bag of Brazil nuts. Otherwise, just don't watch my videos, okay? Don't watch. So thank you guys so much for watching Irene the Coco Queen once again. I'm here, I'm giving you a lot of vegan recipes more than once a week, many times a week, sweet and savory dishes, okay? And also, if you like the video, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. There's more to come just around the corner. And also, I wanted to say something. Yes, this is a really great weight loss meal that I just gave you guys today, okay? And there's more to be coming in the future. And yeah, have a good day. See you soon.